AI has completely shattered all the entry barrier to electronics. And you think I'm making bold and crazy statements? Well, you gotta watch this video till the end. Today, I'm gonna use a ESP32 DevKit along with a simple speaker to make Christmas songs, and the entire code will be AI generated. So what are you guys waiting for? Keep watching the video till the end. The hardware for this specific project is going to be very straightforward. We have a ESP32-C6 DevKit M1, this guy right here, and the pins that I'm going to use are pin number 13 and G because they are really close to each other. We just need a digital IO pin and a ground. And for the speaker, I'm using a 4 ohm 3-watt speaker, and I also have this 22 picofarad capacitor in series. The reason why we do that is because we want to avoid high current draws from this microcontroller, because it can typically just take a couple of milliamps at most, and using this low pass filter situation would avoid taking high peak of currents. So yeah, that's pretty simple and straightforward connections. So you can use a jumper wire or whatnot. We just want to connect this across 13 and ground right here, and that's all. Let's talk about the software. I'm using ChatGPT here. You can use any AI. The prompt that I'm using here is something simple. I'm just telling it what DevKit I'm using. I have a PWM speaker on whatever pin. I have RGB. I want you to act like an animator and a senior firmware developer. Now that we have given it command, let's see what it does and how much time it takes to get through it. You see, it has created everything that we need. Awesome. So now we'll just copy the code, paste it in our Arduino IDE, connect the board on UART side so that we can program it. And let's see if it compiles and uploads. If everything goes as planned, we should be able to hear a melody and see the slide go. Of course, it won't do it right away. I think it's missing a library. So it gave me an error earlier. ChatGPT has given me another version of the code. Let's see if it compiles. It seems that it's going pretty well. So as you watch this entire video, you must have realized that AI has left no barrier to entry for electronics. And using AI like ChatGPT or Gemini, you can write an entire ESP32 code. You can do way more cool stuff with it rather than what I've done with a simple Christmas chime. But feel free to use your imagination. And my point was to prove that anyone who loves electronics and wants to get into it, now is the best time because AI helps you along the whole journey. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, make sure to give it a like, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mission Critical. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.